another video. Today we're going to be talking about my Nissan Skyline and all the new parts I just bought. Before we begin this video, make sure to subscribe and like the video. That really helps me out with the YouTube algorithm. But now, let's get into today's episode. I have bought a lot of new parts from my Nissan Skyline. If you guys remember last year, the turbo actually blew up on the RB25. So I got a new turbo, or a hybrid turbo. I fixed the OEM turbo, so now that's kind of bigger on the inside and it has a lot better performance. And the better performance, well, it's a good thing, but the engine does not run properly now. When I have the throttle to the floor, it will simply not run smoothly, and that's no good. So I have simply decided that's a good excuse to just upgrade the car even more and make it even better. We are going to build this car into a OK plus daily. I use this car almost every day in the summer and I will continue to do so, but this year we're going for more power. So as you see, and as you know, I have actually started a little bit on the performance upgrades last year. The first thing I did was actually install a 255 Walbro fuel pump. This is the old one. I just have it here so you know that I've done this upgrade. So that is really good. So now we will have good fuel, but we need one more thing to have good fuel flow on the car, and that is actually new injectors. So these are some 750cc injectors that I bought for my RB25. I paid around $500 for these. Injectors are kind of expensive. These are not the most expensive ones you can find, but they are not like eBay quality. I actually considered to buy something on eBay, but I read a lot of bad reviews and all of a sudden injectors stopped working and stuff like that, and I do not want that for my daily. So I think this is a good thing to actually buy some real quality product. So this should be really good, and like I said, 750cc should be plenty for my use. I'm hoping for around 400 horsepower in the engine. Let's continue. I have now finally got myself some new coils. These are split fire coils for the RB25 DET Neo. So actually when I bought the car, it had different coils. It had some not OEM cheap coils, and the car still actually to this day sometimes get engine fault code, and that's not good. So that's why I bought the split fire coils. I don't think I actually need these to have 400 horsepower. I heard plenty of people using stock coils for that kind of setup, but I wanted to be safe and have better ignition, so I just simply went for it. I've also ruined the connectors on two of them. One was broken from before and I have broken another one. The plastic is really hard and cracks really easily on the RB25, so that's not good. I've not yet got that harness, but I have ordered it from Wiring Specialties, so that will come in shortly. I also ordered a AFR gauge, as you see right there, and an O2, that's a sensor I put in the exhaust. And I've also got a new downpipe, which you see right here. Actually, that new downpipe is already in the car, but that's in the next episode. But this is just to illustrate the point that I bought a new downpipe. This is the old downpipe, so you will hear all about the new downpipe in the next episode. And I also bought a 300 ZX C32 math sensor as well. That's a good thing to have on the car. And I have got myself a RB25 cover. I did not have that from before. And I have also bought myself a BR power builder, which you see right there. That is something I don't really need. I just bought it for fun because that's something that makes the car spit flames, and that's pretty cool. Also bought some regular maintenance stuff, new fuel filter. I have not changed that yet. I'm going to also paint these. Those are the rear spats, or whatever you call them, lips on the rear bumper. So the car looks kind of strange right now because it does not have those on. But as you all know, that came out. I painted those last season and they came out not in the correct colors. I'm going to paint them again. And now we are coming to the big thing about today's episode. As you see right now, we got a carbon fiber hood. This is not the same hood that I had in the previous season. I actually ordered a brand new hood from United States, from Saibon, and now we got a carbon fiber hood. And I think it looks really great. I've been waiting 3 months for this. And you may be asking why I got a new hood. Well, here's the story.
Fuck! Oh my god! My hood! Can I... Oh my god! Oh my god! God damn it!
Yeah, that was kind of rough. It was actually the final drive of the season, and then that happened. So annoying. I mean, yeah, I don't know what to say. It sucks that hood simply just flew up and banged right in my face. Yeah, I don't know what to say about that. But now, new hood is ordered. It's on. I'm happy. And yeah, the old hood, that's long gone. It really sucks because I spent a lot of time on that hood and making it good. But of course, a brand new hood is a lot better. But it's quite expensive. But yeah, whatever. So now we got this beautiful new carbon fiber Cybon hood, and to be honest, I'm really happy about the fitment. Everything seems really good. It looks really good in the carbon fiber. I don't know if you can tell so good on camera, but I mean, it's really nice. And it also has like these are now kind of fake, and I think that's a good thing, because when I wash the car, it comes water down here, and that can get down in the plug holes and stuff like that and actually ruin one of the cylinders. I know that happened to Adam LC R34 that he had a giveaway on, so I'm kind of nervous about that. So every time I wash the car, I put a towel under here so I do not get water in here. But now I don't need to, because it's like it's something under here. I can show you actually. See here we have like I suppose I can remove this, because then the vents would actually be functional, but I don't know. For now, I think this is all good. Yeah. For washing, this is great, but for getting the heat out of the engine, it would be nice to take that out. But I don't know if I would find a better solution for this. So the idea is to pretty soon actually start changing the injectors, the coil packs, the spark plugs. Yeah, I forgot about that. I also bought some new spark plugs from NGK, and yeah, I'm excited to mount those as well. So yeah, I'm really excited to start upgrading this engine bay and get it look really nice. Yeah, so like I said, the fitment is now really good. When I bought that broken hood last season, I was actually thinking from start that I would eventually buy a new hood. And that was kind of the big piece for this car that I thought made it look not so clean. So really happy about that. But the main big question for this season, should it stay carbon fiber like it did with the last hood, or should I paint the hood? What do you guys think? Should I paint this Bayside Blue, or should it stay carbon fiber? To be honest, I'm not sure myself what I like the most. I kind of like that carbon fiber look. It looks pretty gangster, but then again, I also think that, I mean, this is a car from an early era, like 2000s. This was a really cool legendary car. It still is, but I feel like maybe the carbon fiber is not that, I don't know. Maybe this belongs to the 2000s and not to 2022. I don't know. I kind of look like the clean look with the blue, but then again, carbon fiber is the last upgrade you do get in Need for Speed Underground 2. So of course, carbon fiber is kind of cool. I really like it. And then this hood, the carbon fiber looks great, because like I said, this hood is new from Cybon, so it's mint. It's new, it's fresh. So it's actually 100% clean. So I don't quite know, to be honest. Should I paint it blue? Should I just leave it like that? I don't know. It's I don't know. And another thing, to just regarding the hood flying up, the previous hood flying up and everything like that. I did actually get a little bit of damage in the roof when that happened, and I will be fixing that. Two dents, I think, but I will of course fix that, and so the car will be like better than it was before. So yeah, kind of sucked that happens, but whatever, that's life. And now I'm just excited to actually mount all of these new parts and take it to the tuner. I will use a guy not too far away from here, which is called SH Tuning, and he's really good with RBs. He has a ton of RBs himself, and I'm really excited to bring my car to him after I'm done with all the upgrades, and then we'll get a good tune and figure out how many horsepower this car will actually make. I mean, I can probably make 500 horsepower if I want to, but I think I want to run it safe and have like 400 horsepower in the engine and probably 350, 340 on the wheels. I'm really excited to start this season with this car and just simply start wrenching on it. So yeah, now you have an update on what's happening with the car, why the car was not in my garage in the last video. That was because I had the hood replaced. Yeah, I am excited. I'm so excited. So now you know a lot more about what's going on, and hopefully I will be better at posting more videos and actually doing more with the car. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.